Today we have a student here with us. Her name is Satya. She is basically from Hyderabad, Telangana, from India location, and right now she is attending classes with us for NCLEX RN. So Satya, can you tell us a little bit about like how do you like classes so far?
Yes, ma'am. Before taking the classes, I felt that I cannot make this. But after taking your classes, I gained a lot of knowledge. You minimized the subject and you told everything that which is important, which is not important, so that we gain some confidence that we should not read everything. So we can learn some minimum content and we can do through strategies. So this is the best thing I learned from you, ma'am. And your
Thank you
classes
so
are
much.
very good. Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Thank you so much for those words. That means a lot for us, and definitely it makes me feel happy to see that it makes such a big difference in your learning as well for the upcoming
Yes, ma'am.
exam for NCLEX RN. Is there any one best thing that you would like to describe about our classes?
Yes, ma'am. The best thing is your presentations and your mock tests as well. So you are describing mock tests very well. And the best thing which I like from you is your strategies and also live discussion questions. So by doing questions with you in live makes us to correct the strategies and all we can able to gain some knowledge. So why how can we do these questions and all? This
Perfect.
is the
Thank you
best
so
thing.
much, Satya. I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
these words means a lot for us, so I cannot really
Yes, ma'am.
thank you enough for this. I think you already mentioned about the confidence level, but still, I would just like to ask,
No
like,
problem.
how much do
Okay.
your confidence feel so far? Like you said, you were preparing before as well, before you
Yes, ma'am.
started sessions with us. So, how much confidence do you feel so far?
Actually, I have a cousin who is a doctor, so she suggested me for NCLEX. But I said to her that I cannot do this because I'm from India. I cannot do this. We don't have that much knowledge, so we cannot do. But after taking your classes, I gained a lot of confidence that I can do. So now I can say I can do it 100% by first attempt.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, Satya. So, yeah,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
is there any message that you would like to give to our current students or maybe the future students as well?
Yes, ma'am, for sure. The message which I want to give to every student is if you want to pass NCLEX on your first attempt, then you should definitely take the classes with CAPS, ma'am. She is very good in her teaching and she is very understanding. So I like her a lot. Uh, she understands from the down on. So I can't say in one word, but definitely she is a lot for me, more than a teacher. She is a good mentor. So I advise everyone who are willing to take the classes, just go blindly. No issues. We can do better after taking your classes. I think so. And for the Telugu people, I'm telling in Telugu that మనం ఖచ్చితంగా చేయగలుగుతాం. నేనైతే ఫస్ట్ చేయలేను అని అనుకున్నాను. కాకపోతే మేడంని చూసిన తర్వాత మేడం స్ట్రాటజీస్ అండ్ క్లాసెస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అవన్నీ విన్న తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి అనేది నేను నేర్చుకున్నాను అండ్ నాకు ఇప్పుడు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది నేను చేయగలుగుతానని అండ్ ఎవరైనా ఖచ్చితంగా చేయాలి అనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ బ్లైండ్లీ గో విత్ హర్. ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Thank you so much, Satya. I see
థ్యాంక్
that
యూ
you
మ్యామ్.
also give the message like in your, I guess, the local language.
ఎస్
So
మ్యామ్.
I really appreciate for that as well, because definitely we really want to encourage all the nurses from India, from different part of the country as well. And I
ఎస్
think
మ్యామ్.
this message will be more helpful for those students, especially from the South Indian side, I believe, who can
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
understand this language as well, and especially maybe who are the mothers or maybe
ఎస్
who
మ్యామ్.
are the married as well, and they're thinking they cannot maybe pursue their dream to become a registered nurse, maybe in those developed countries in Canada or maybe in States, right? So
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
yeah, so I think this message will be for those students as well. Please come forward and let's come forward and get some guidance how you can start your preparation for the NCLEX RN. So this message is for all of you. Just so you know, the N-Word Review provide free application assistance We do not charge for that. And after that, if you also feel like to attend the classes, feel welcome to come. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for taking our message as well from this video. And thank you so much, Satya, for joining us as well. I really, really appreciate it for all the messages as well. Thank you.
It's a pleasure for me, ma'am, to join.
Thank you, Satya.
Thank you, ma'am.